Hello everyone and welcome back to Math Merit. Today we're going to continue with concept number 2, which is simplifying rational expressions. Now, today we're going to be doing something very similar to what we saw Friday, but this time our rational expression actually contains a trinomial. So when factoring it, we would take a few different steps. Something that we have seen before, so don't freak out. It's just a little refresher. Now, again, we're going to start off by factoring out our numerator. Numerator in this case is 3x minus 6. Now, in this specific problem, I will factor out 3. Why? 3 goes into both of my numbers, and I will be left with 3 times x minus 2 as my numerator. Okay. Now to factor our trinomial, we would factor this out like we would factor out any trinomial. So we would grab, remember this is A, B, or C. We're going to grab our C and factor it out. In this case it's 6. A negative 6. So let's go over here and find our factors for 6. We know it's 1 and 6, 2 and 3. That's it. Okay, now we have to choose what two numbers combined give us a positive x, a positive 1, but when multiplied, it'll give me a negative 6. Okay. So that means one of my numbers is going to be positive and my other number is going to be negative. How do I know which one? Easy. This is 1. 1x is 1. Okay. And it's positive. That tells me that my bigger number is going to be positive. Now, if I add or subtract 6 and 1, that's not going to give me 1 in any shape or form. But 2 and 3, on the other hand, does. Now, if I have a positive 3 and a negative 2, I will, when multiplied, it'll give me negative 6, and when combined together, it'll give me a positive 1. So therefore, these would be the numbers I use. So, my denominator would now look like this. You see? Now we're simplifying this. Do you see what we can cancel out in our numerator that we can also cancel out in our denominator? X minus 2. So cancel those two out. We can also cancel out this 3 and this 3. That means we are left with 1 over x. And like I mentioned last time, our denominator is left as a variable. Now, our variable can be any number, we don't know. But since it is a denominator, when simplified, that means it cannot equal 0. So x cannot equal 0. It can be any other number, but it cannot be 0. Okay? Let's move on into your assignment. Now, for your assignment today, I want you guys to simplify this rational expression that has a trinomial on the bottom. Of course, follow the same steps I took in the previous example. If you need any further help, please don't hesitate and ask. I'm here to help. I hope to be hearing back from everyone very, very soon, and I hope you all have a very wonderful rest of your day. Goodbye.